Hey y'all, welcome back to Side One to Shed, and we're actually in the shed. Now we're not doing, again, anything mechanical. What we're actually doing, we're going to fry up some hot dogs. We're going to make some chili dogs. So here, yeah, I'm just trying to pass the time. It is Thursday still, the 23rd? Yeah, 23rd of December. But anyway, we're just going to go ahead and cook up some hot dogs. Gonna add a little bit of butter here. Yep. Okay, she didn't notice. That cast iron pan's fairly hot. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to add some hot dogs. Just going to go ahead and put them right in the pan. Alright, there's a full dozen right there, 12. Put this over on the side. And yeah, in case you weren't watching, I kind of pulled this off the heat here a little bit. But the cast iron frying pan, yeah, she's still hot. She's still very hot. Okay, so let's go ahead. Put this right back down there. See how things do. Do. Again, I'm a simple man. I do simple things. And chili dogs are very simple. Normally, I'd boil them in beer. But I do have a few people here that don't like chili dogs themselves per se. So, but they do like fried hot dogs. And seeing as it's too uncomfortable, it'll take too long, and I don't want to waste the resources to fire up either the gas grill or the charcoal grill just to cook some hot dogs. But I do have the wood stove going. I'm just going to fry them up. I'm going to fry them up with some butter. That's it. And I'm going to fry up 24 of them. This is only 12. That's half. For those of you that are not good in math. Okay, we're going to move the camera a little bit so at least you can see my fat belly. Let's see about adjusting this just a tad bit.